very good foggy morning. Yeah, a real-time update. I'm gonna interrupt this in the midst of the Rideau Canal tour. If you're catching this later and you haven't seen those videos, I'll link that playlist right above my head. Back in August, we took 16 days, went up the Rideau all the way to Ottawa, came back down to Kingston. Amazing trip, phenomenal scenery, very much worth checking out. Most videos are little short clips because I just kind of did a highlight of each lock as we went through. Because truthfully, and unfortunately it's not the way we really wanted to do it, we had to get to Ottawa because we had family and stuff that were coordinating their schedule to meet us there. So we blasted up to Ottawa, and then when it was time to turn around, come home, it was rainy and miserable and cold. So we just kind of meandered home or back through to Kingston. Yeah, and really didn't get to enjoy as much as we wanted to, but you know, that's just the way boating goes, and well, that's what you have to do. Anyways, yeah, like I said, real-time update. Today's like the 19th of October, and we're headed to haul out. But as you can see, the fog has kind of rolled in here. I just left the fuel dock. They got a pump out. As you can see it back there kind of behind me. But yeah, we're heading to the ramp over here at the local marina, and really nice ramp, but I can't see anything. I got the nav lights on, and I'm just gonna slowly, you know, just kind of chug forward a little bit here slow until the fog burns off a little bit. So stick around, be right back. Hi. I still got 3.5 feet of water. So that's a wrap on the 2024 boating season. Boats safely parked here in the backyard. I did all the winterization stuff yesterday. You know, both engines, AC generator, all that good stuff, water system. So yeah, they'll be here to shrink wrap it probably the next week or so. They're coming, local company out of the area, they're gonna come shrink wrap it. I do have a couple of videos. I do have a custom cover I bought, well, a generic custom cover for a boat of this size. Yeah, it was great the first couple of years. It's to the point now, it's, you know, it's done. It needs to be replaced. They do have like a 10-year warranty on it. I was going to reach out and get the warranty. However, we've actually sold the boat. We've sold the boat 4 times, but as you can see, it's still in the backyard. So there's a whole other story to that, which is going to be a completely different video. I don't know when I'm going to finish it. I hope to maybe finish shooting it this afternoon, and I'll have it up in a week or 2 after this one. But yeah, boat's ready to go to bed. That's the end of the season. So what's next for us? Well, let's see. The Rideau Canal videos, they're going to run probably to right around Christmas time. I'm doing 2 a week on those, a Wednesday and a Saturday. If you want to, you know, smash the bell button and hit the reminders for every week they come out. They're a little short, you know, no big deal. A couple minutes long, most of them for the most part. After that, end of November, we're off to Florida for 2 weeks. We're doing a 10-day southeastern Caribbean cruise. Martinique, Dominique, St. Thomas, Bahamas, places like that. But before that, we're going down a few days early. We're going to go to Key West. We're going to jump on a seaplane, and we're going out to Dry Tortugas National Park in Fort Jefferson. If you've never seen that before, I strongly recommend Googling it. Don't watch any videos until we come back and watch mine after Christmas. But yeah, I'll throw a picture right here up of what Fort Jefferson looks like. It's like a 200-year-old fort they built. 80 miles off the coast of Florida on a, it's on a barrier reef island sort of deal. On a atoll, I guess, is probably the more the correct answer for it. But yeah, 18 million bricks or something like that. They took them, you know, we're talking 200 years ago, right? So this is sailing ship, transported them 80 miles off Florida to this place and built it. But yeah, it's just crazy to see it. Should be a really good video. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll leave you with a little sounds of the engines running for winterization. See you next time.